today's episode, they're solving all of the world's problems. Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. I'm at another job site. As you can see, we've been tearing some stuff down. Over here, we're tearing a batch plant out so we can put another one in. Same type that we put in the other videos. We've been busy. We've had some bad rain days. Been kind of flooded out a little bit. We've been doing a few other jobs here and there. And over on the job with the mile-long conveyor, this video is about, the guys have been sending me footage. They're doing an awesome job, and they sent me some footage of them putting in the tunnel. So I'm gonna roll that footage so y'all can check it out and get an update on that. So let's roll that footage.